Iloilo, mabukal na ngalan mo. Sa tanang nga panahon, ikaw ang palanggaon. Sa paglakad sa malawig nga tinigon, nakilala ka sa matabong buluhan kung ang imo nga dinagyang, kang imo kasadyahan, padayo nga ginapasitunggan. Himuon ko ang tanan nga masarangan, isinggit ko sa bilog nga kantibutan. Kita mga Ilonggo, tunay nga Pilipino, mapisang kartong kanon nga mga tao. Hala, pira, Iloilo, sulong sa pagbago. Hala, pira, Iloilo, matahong naman ako. Hala, pira, Iloilo, mabukal na ngalan mo. Sa tanang nga panahon, ikaw ang palanggaon. Hala, pira, Iloilo, sulong sa pagbago. Hala, pira, Iloilo, matahong naman ako. Hala, pira, Iloilo, mabukal na ngalan mo. Sa tanang nga panahon, ikaw ang palanggaon. Hala, pira, Iloilo, ikaw sutar ka probinsya. Hala, pira, Iloilo, napun ang kasang kasadya. Hala, pira, Iloilo, ito ang kalino ba? Hala, pira, Iloilo, padayon sa kauswagan. Hala, pira, Iloilo, sulong sa pagbago. Hala, pira, Iloilo, matahong mabanwak ko. Hala, pira, Iloilo, mabukal na ngalan mo. Sa tanang nga panahon, ikaw ang palanggaon. Hala, pira, Iloilo, sulong sa pagbago. Hala, pira, Iloilo, matahong mabanwak ko. Hala, pira, Iloilo, mabukal na ngalan mo. Sa tanang nga panahon, ikaw ang palanggaon. Hala, pira, Iloilo, Viva Señor Santo Niño. Hala, Dagyang, Iloilo, Viva Señor Santo Niño. Hala, Dagyang, Iloilo, Viva Señor Santo Niño. Hala, pira, Iloilo. Sa tula ako na nga istorya at panahon, nakilala ka sa ngalan nga irong-irong, puno sa manggan, kagsang katahon sa italon ni Tako paiburong. Ipapugal ko ang imo ngalan, ipapugal ko ang mga pinuhatan, sa imong ginikanan, kang imong kabataan, kapuli kay pagkato sa kauswagan. Hala, pira, Iloilo, sulong sa pagbago. Hala, pira, Iloilo, matahong nabanwak ko. Hala, pira, Iloilo, mabukal na ngalan mo. Sa tanang nga panahon, ikaw ang palanggaon. Sa paglakad sa malawig nga tinigon, nakilala ka sa matabong buluhan kung ang imo nga dinagyang, kang imo kasadyahan, padayo nga ginapasitunggan. Himuon ko ang tanan nga masarangan, isinggit ko sa bilog nga kantibutan. Kita mga Ilonggo, tunay nga Pilipino, mapisang kartong kanon nga mga tao. Hala, pira, Iloilo, sulong sa pagbago. Hala, pira, Iloilo, matahong naman ako. Hala, pira, Iloilo, mabukal na ngalan mo. Sa tanang nga panahon, ikaw ang palanggaon. Hala, pira, Iloilo, sulong sa pagbago. Hala, pira, Iloilo, matahong naman ako. Hala, pira, Iloilo, mabukal na ngalan mo. halabira, Iloilo, hala Dagyang, Iloilo, halabira, Iloilo, hala Dagyang, Iloilo. Magbangon kakat, ipadayaw ang Iloilo. Ang paghigugma sa tunyadakmanwa sa kalibutan. Bago siya, ibayaw ang bandera. Sige halabira, Ilonggo ka. Magululugyo na, pipulot ang pwersa. Itipong ang kausa, Ilonggo ka. Halabira, Iloilo, sulong sa pagbago. Halabira, Iloilo, matahong na banwag ko. Halabira, Iloilo, ipabugal ang ngalan mo. Sa tanang na panahon, ikaw ang palanggaon. Sa paglakat sa malawit ka tiniun, nakilala ka sa madamong puluhaton ng imong Dinagyang. Kakimong kasadyahan, padayon na kinapasidunggan. Ipapukal mo ang imong ngalan, ipapukal mo ang mga binuhatan. Sa imong ginikanan, kag imong kabataan, kabuhi ka ipagkanto sa kauswagan. Uswag Iloilo, I am Iloilo. Uswag Iloilo, para sa mga Ilonggo. Uswag Iloilo, I am Iloilo. Uswag Iloilo, para sa mga Ilonggo. Magbago na Ilonggo ka, ipakita ka isog Ilonggo. Sa bilog na kalibutan, ato nga ibaladra, ato nga bandera kalabira. Ipabugal mo ang Iloilo, ang imo pagigugma sa imo dakpan. Wala pong sa tangan, kita magkapadayon. Uswag Iloilo. Uswag Iloilo, halabira Iloilo. Uswag Iloilo, para sa mga Ilonggo. Uswag Iloilo, halabira Iloilo. Uswag Iloilo, para sa mga Ilonggo. Halabira Iloilo, uswag Iloilo, para sa mga Ilonggo. Uswag Iloilo, halabira Iloilo. Uswag Iloilo, para sa mga Ilonggo. Halabira Iloilo, Viva Señor Santo Niño, hala Dagyang Iloilo. Viva Señor Santo Niño, hala Dagyang Iloilo. Viva Señor Santo Niño, uswag Iloilo, halabira. Halabira, Iloilo, hala Dagyang, Iloilo, halabira, Iloilo, hala Dagyang, Iloilo. Magbangon kakat, ipadayaw ang Iloilo.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Maayong hapon sa aton tanan-tanan nga pinalangga nga Ilonggo. Today, we culminate our week-long celebration of the first ever Dinagyang Digital 2021. In the midst of a pandemic and uncertain economy, we Ilonggos chose not only to strive, but thrive. Bato Iloilo, uswag Iloilo.
Thus, perhaps it is appropriate that we hold our awarding ceremony beside the statue of General Martin Delgado, and as described in its marker, Delgado's love for the Philippines drove him to fight bravely for the liberation of the country during the revolution against Spain and Philippine-American War.
In a sense, we are in the midst of a war, not from an occupation force or colonial master, but from an unseen enemy. But like our revolutionaries, in the end, we Ilonggos, we Filipinos will prevail. The participants of our Dinagyang Digital 2021 may not carry swords or guns, but they are no less heroes who champion Ilonggo culture and the arts.
I cannot agree with you more, Kate, and it is in this context that wraps up what has been history in the making. Ladies and gentlemen, to the Ilonggo community, welcome to the Dinagyang Digital 2021 awarding ceremony.
Yes, thank you very much. We are just so glad because, Romel, we cannot imagine the preparations, the vision that we have tried to come up with, the dream that to make sure lang that Dinagyang will push through whatever happens.
Ganit, Kate, no? Now, although this is very different from what we have experienced in the past years, pero syempre, staging the Dinagyang Digital 2021 shows how creative, how resilient the Ilonggos are. And with that, no, we all deserve a big, big round of applause. Kasi
Yes.
syempre, we all have been a part, no, of the Dinagyang Digital 2021.
And I'm so proud, even more prouder to be an Ilonggo because we showed not just the Iloilo, not just Iloilo, our home, but to everyone in the whole world, not just in the Philippines, in the whole world, that they can do this. We can do this. We can, move on from the fear and uncertainty.
Yes, and with that, maybe I believe that now is the most perfect time to acknowledge our government officials as well as the IFFI Board of Trustees because they are in the front line kung na-push through gid ang Dinagyang Digital 2021. Shall we start, Kate?
Tama ina, Romel, and we would like to start, of course, with the father of Iloilo City, Mayor Jerry Treñas.
We also would like to acknowledge Congresswoman Julian Jamjam Baronda.
Good afternoon to Vice Mayor Jeffrey Ganzon.
We also would like to acknowledge our city councilors, beginning with Honorable Rudolph Ganzon.
Honorable Ellie A. Estante.
Palakpakan man natin, we have with us Honorable Lyndon Varonda Acap.
And also, palakpakan man natin, Honorable Carlos C. Haveliana.
Let's also put our hands together for Honorable Julie Grace Baronda.
Kaupod man natin, Honorable Romel D. Duron.
A big round of applause for Honorable Alan Zaldivar.
Kaupod man natin, Honorable Frances Grace Parcon.
Let's also put our hands together for Honorable Candice Tupas.
Palakpakan man natin, Honorable Mandre Malabor.
Let's also put our hands together for Honorable Jose Efrain Treñas III.
A round of applause to Honorable Eduardo Peñaredondo.
Let's also give it up for Honorable Marie Irene Ong.
And a round of applause for Honorable Leila G. Luntao.
Ayon to our city officials, welcome and good afternoon, and thank you very much for taking that extra mile in staging Dinagyang Digital 2021. Now, allow us to acknowledge the Board of Trustees of Iloilo Festivals Foundation Incorporated. A big round of applause for the chairman, Mr. Rito Carlos Peña.
A round of applause to IFFI Vice Chairman Felipe Oigunco.
Let's also give it up for Attorney Jobert Peña Florida, IFFI President.
A round of applause to the IFFI Vice President Ronald Raymond Sebastian.
Let's also give it up for the corporate secretary. We have Angel De Leon Jr.
And the IFFI treasurer, Roland Uy.
We also would like to acknowledge the trustees. We have Philip Chua, Honorato Espinosa,
Rogelio Florete, Ivy Guerrea,
Jose Laison Jr., John Alexander Ke.
Alan Ryan Tan, Luis Tensay, and Ruel Castro.
Once again, a big round of applause for the IFFI Board of Trustees. Palakpakan natin.
And Romel, I believe that our representatives, the choreographers, the dancers, all who participated during this Dinagyang Digital 2021 are ready to receive their gifts and certificates and
Yes,
prizes.
and they're here to be congratulated for a very beautiful show nga na-witness natin earlier today, not just here in our city, but all over the world.
Romel, we celebrate our devotion to Señor Santo Niño, but also, let's not forget that without this talented Ilonggos who give their commitment and their dedication just to show the world how Dinagyang is, I mean, without them, we cannot have Dinagyang. So thank you very much. We celebrate you also. Madamo gid nga salamat sa inyong nga dedikasyon. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us listen to the president of IFFI. Palakpakan natin, Attorney Jobert Piña Florida.
Mayong hapon sa tanan, apisar nga kita ara sa tunga sang very challenging times. Kita nagatamyaw sang maayong hapon and happy Dinagyang. Ang Iloilo Festivals Foundation Incorporated ang nagapasalamat gid sa tanan naton nga mga partners. Unahon na naton Mayor Jerry Treñas, Vice Mayor Jeffrey Ganzon, ang aton nga Congresswoman Jamjam Baronda, ang katapo sa aton konseho nga ginarepresentar karon nga hapon ni Councilor Ganzon and ni Councilor Tupas. Maayong hapon. Ina-acknowledge naman ang bulig sa aton sang nagkalain-lain nga ahensya, ang departamento sa bahin sa aton city government. We acknowledge the presence of our City Tourism Officer, Ms. Janelle de Vinagracia. Kag in behalf of the Iloilo Festivals Foundation, ang amon chairman, Mr. Jaji Peña, kami sa IFFI ang nagapasalamat sa inyo tanan sa pag-upod sa amon sa mabudlay nga journey, very challenging, nga ginhaboy ni Mayor Jerry Treñas sa IFFI, pangginbaton naton sang hugot, kag gintagaan sang bugos nga suporta sang city government kag sang city council. Napatigayon naton ang Dinagyang Digital 2021 and we lorded it over social media. As of this afternoon, ang views naton sa Iloilo City Government kag sa Iloilo Dinagyang ang nagsobra na ang malapit na sa 140,000 views, and in the other social media outlets of our media partners nagsobra na sa 100,000 views. Madamo nga salamat sa nagpalabot sa aton sang ilang pagpalangga kag pagpanginbulahan from Ilonggos and non-Ilonggos from different parts of the Philippines and different parts of the world. Because awarding ceremony na sulit-suliton, I will take advantage of the opportunity. Gusto ta pasalamatan ang tanan nga committees nga nagupod sa aton sa Dinagyang Digital 2021 sa pagpamuno ni Professor Eric de Vinagracia and Mr. Gab Umadhay, and all the committees from JCI to the Rotary Club to PCCI and to the Cofradia and all our partners. No, hindi naton maisa-isa tanan. Ang akon man nga mainit nga pagpasalamat sa City Mayor's Office Media Team, kay kung wala sa ila nga pulaw bugtaw, hindi ta mapalabot ang aton mga programa. Thank you very much, Ms. Raisa Treñas. Ang tanan nga mga events ang Dinagyang ang nakakuha sang tuman kadamo nga mga views. Now, beginning with opening salvo up to our Dinagyang drum beats competition early this afternoon. Magagmay nga mga pocket events apang padayon nga nagapakita sa aton nga resiliency and creativity as Ilonggos. And gusto ko gid ihatag ang aton mainit nga pagpasalamat sa aton nga mga performers nga nagpawaw sa bug-os nga kalibutan. Our warm round of applause, tindog anay, Iloilo Artist Festivals Association. And ang tanan naton nga warriors, na 30 lang sila, kay ina puno-puno sa mata naton, 30 lang sila, kag pila sa ila ang upod naton karon, agud mag-represent sang kadaman or sang bugos nga grupo. Thank you very much, Ayafa. Finally, in behalf of the Iloilo Festivals Foundation Incorporated, thank you very much, and to all our winners of our special awards, congratulations, maayong gabi sa inyo tanan.
Palakpakan natin Attorney Jobert Piña Florida. Romel, it's just so nice that finally we are celebrating Dinagyang, the end of Dinagyang, by recognizing the people behind it, right?
Our real life warriors.
Yes, yes. And kanami lang kay ari diri sila subong, no? Ga-enjoy. Dapat ma-enjoy Manila, yeah.
Exactly, and later on, again, we have something for our warriors. Kay, most people do not know, actually, that during the presentation earlier, that they are the same warriors who performed in all the districts. So that's what is really, really amazing. Kaya sa tanan na distrito, sila lang gid nga grupo nagliwat-liwat saot.
Yes, grabe nga dedication, no?
Exactly.
Yes, and yes, right. Thank you, Gid. Gina-applaud yun nato ng aton nga mga warriors, dancers, performers. And what's nice, Romel, is that masking hindi naton sila makilala by face because naka-face mask sila, pero you see them that they give their all still, and makilala naton sila karon. Makita na nato ng ilang faces.
Exactly, no?
Yes.
And while Dinagyang Festival is a celebration of our strong devotion and a celebration of our rich cultural heritage, it is also a celebration of the creativity of the Ilonggo. That's why, as part of our celebration, we have this competition dubbed as Pinta sa Kapistahan. So tanaw naton kung anong natabo sa Pinta sa Kapistahan in this VTR. Direct your attention to the screen, and all together, let us watch this.
So with the powers vested upon me by our Iloilo City Mayor and by the board of the Iloilo Festivals Foundation, and together with JCI Iloilo, I declare the first ever Pinta sa Kapistahan open.
Yes, all right, there you go. So, Romel, can you share with us? I actually have seen this, but ikaw, I believe you have visited
Yes,
some
no,
of the
I have
places.
seen with my own eyes, no, ang artwork. It's just nice because a lot more Ilonggos are delving into the art profession despite the lack of appreciation of the society. So through the support man sang Iloilo City Government and ni Mayor Trenias, mas gina-inspire niya, mas gina-encourage niya ang ato ng mga local artists to come up with such masterpieces.
Kay kadamo gigadaan sang Ilonggo nga very creative, and they need this platform, and we are glad that it's included now in Dinagyang Digital 2021. And I believe that our winners, or we are ready to award the winners for our Pinta sa Kapistahan.
And to For the photo opportunity, I would like to request the President of JCI Iloilo. We have Mr. Janjan Molihona. Please join us here on stage. And the President of JCI Iloilo 2020, we have Junjun Sia. But I also would like to remind our participants or our contestants that no shake hand should be done on stage.
Yes.
So for photo opportunity lang.
Right. And also our coordinators, of course, from the organization of Dinagyang Digital 2021, they will guide you here backstage, and your awards will be ready, and then you will have your photo here on the stage. And Romel, just a reminder that to all our viewers live right now, keep on sharing. Yun na yun. Keep on sharing because we have to share to the whole world these people behind our Dinagyang Digital 2021. And to start with our
awarding for Pinta sa Kapistahan, let us begin with the People's Choice Award. Congratulations, Team Meraki.
Team Meraki. I hope we have a representative from Team Meraki. Please join us here.
By the way, Kate, no, ang artists na to ng ilan ni Ginpaint, nag-symbolize ang 7 districts of Iloilo City. So to those na gusto mag-visit, ara na siya sa another business park.
Yes, okay.
So, yeah.
Basta don't forget, when you post everything, use our official hashtag Dinagyang Digital 2021 so that we'll be able to, everybody will see your post and get to see the amazing, the way you see art in our city, in our lovable city.
All right, People's Choice Award is from Lapus District. They painted Lapus District. Congratulations, Team Meraki. Congratulations.
And now let's have the second runner-up. They painted Haro District. All right. So second runner-up is Team Kudit. All right. Here they are. Okay, wow, they're really
very
young.
young.
Wow.
I
Okay.
told you, it's nice to see young artists around, no? Mas nagadamo ang nagaka-inspire to pursue, their craft, their talent, and visual arts diri sa Iloilo because of the support na ginahatag sang ato na local government.
And Romel, this is not just for the young ones, ha. To all our viewers, especially sa aton mga pinalangga nga Ilonggo, if you have that talent, hindi pagtagua, share it. Bless Iloilo City with your talent because we need that. All right? So here they are. Wow,
Once again,
congratulations.
that's Team Kudit. They painted Haro District. Congratulations to the second runner-up.
Thank you very much.
We shall now award our first runner-up. First runner-up, Team Painted Molo District. Congratulations, Team Tinta. Ayan, Team Tinta. Congratulations.
Wow. Woo. And what's nice, Romel, is that all of this young artists, they're all friends. They know each other. It's nice to see that they're thriving as a community.
Yes, and we are inspiring friendly competition among the Ilonggos. Congratulations, Team Tinta. Kate, do the honor in announcing our champion.
Okay, we're still maintaining our physical distance. Thank you very much, Romel. You're such a gentleman. Our champion for Pinta sa Kapistahan is Team Palladium. Congratulations, and they painted Villa District. Wow, I cannot wait to go around the city and take photos.
You see, they're wearing the color of the year, and they must be very, very lucky tonight.
Yes.
Congratulations, Team Palladium, who painted Villa District.
Yes. Arevalo? Yeah, okay. Oh, they're color coordinated. Color coordinated. I like that. Again, congratulations to all our winners of Pinta sa Kapistahan.
And congratulations as well to JCI Iloilo for pulling off the competition, giving a platform for our visual artists.
Yes,
Maraming
and
salamat.
Romel, I just want to acknowledge the organizers of Pinta sa Kapistahan. Again, JCI Iloilo 2021 President Mr. Janjan Molehona and 2020 President Junjun Sia. So thank you very much and thank you for supporting Dinagyang Digital 2021.
And we are now down to the awarding of another first in Iloilo, the first Dinagyang Landmark Competition. But before we announce the winners, allow me to acknowledge the sponsors of the first Dinagyang Landmark Competition. Zuri Hotel,
Boys and Pinks,
Globe Telecom,
and Festive Mall Iloilo.
Siyempre, in partnership with Iloilo City Tourism. And we have Ma'am Janelle de Vinagracia with us, our City Tourism Officer.
Hi, ma'am.
Thank you very much for the support no, sa Dinagyang Landmark Competition. Our third place for the Dinagyang Landmark Competition. By the way, no, the landmark competition, parang it's a pop-up art competition and they are proposing kung anong maayo na landmark na ipatindog naton diri sa Iloilo. So
Okay.
dira makita ang creativity naman in a more technical aspect kay mga architects ni sila.
Yes, okay. So I cannot wait to see all of these projects come to life. But for now, let's just award the winners. First, Romel, please do
So yeah,
the
third
honors
place,
for the third place.
for
yes.
Dinagyang Landmark Competition. Let's give it up for architect Lorenzo De Felipe Jr.
Palakpakan nato ng aton winner for our Dinagyang Landmark Contest, the third place. Thank you, sir. Congratulations. And now, Romel, let's go to the second place for the Dinagyang Landmark Contest. Congratulations, Meljon Coral. Palakpakan natin ang ating second placer.
And our first place winner for Dinagyang Landmark Contest. Congratulations, Architect Adonis Canonicato.
Congratulations, Architect Canonicato. Pillar of Attraction, Faith, and Tradition. If you're wondering what's his project, it's actually shown here on the screen right now.
We would like to acknowledge the United Architects of the Philippines Regional District C4.
And of course, Iloilo City Tourism Office. Again, palakpakan natin. This is such a nice project. At least more and more every year, mas nagadamo pagidang aton nga landmark nga pwede naton ipabugal yan.
Gani, no? And Kate, this is the first ever Dinagyang Digital. So we have a lot of firsts in this celebration. So, award na nato ng winners ng first Dinagyang Landmark Competition. Subong naman, let us take a glimpse of another first in Iloilo Dinagyang. Usually, di ba, we give honor, we appreciate our warriors, pero usually, ang mga musicians naton are not given enough appreciation. That's why, in this program or in this competition that happened earlier this afternoon, gin-highlight na naman ang aton nga mga musician in the first ever drum beats competition. Palakpakan naton.
You know, Romel, I really like this because ako no, mahilig ako sa music. I know you are too. And I think one of the things nga mas nagapabatsyag pagid sa aton, kag mas nagapanami pagid sa aton nga experience with Dinagyang Tribe competition is the drum beats and you know the music that
Gani, no?
accompanies
Syempre
it.
para
Maingid siya.
visual and auditory, complete experience ang Dinagyang.
Kung sa iban nga bag-ulang niya sa mga platform ang ASMR, kita ya madugay na kita. Naga-ASMR sa Dinagyang. So right now, I'm just so happy that we have this and I cannot wait to see their production.
Yes, and we wish to see a grander drum beats competition
Yes.
next year. Kay damo-damo gid kaginakit ang nagbantay sa different mall. Another mall naman to siya. Hindi
Yes.
naman pwede. You
Oo.
mentioned it. And of course, online, no? Because it was a virtual competition. Damo-damo views. That's why nga damo gid na interested na mga Ilonggos and other people coming from across the globe
I know
sa drum beats competition.
I know, Romel, that we are just starting with this, pero I can see that this is going to be bigger for Iloilo City. So, Romel, I believe we should first, yes, see the highlights of drum beats right here, right now. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's all watch this. All right, there you go, the highlights of the drum beats or the drum beat contest, Dinagyang drum beat contest. Now, if to some of you na miss nyo, maybe may work ka mo or medyo naburaw ka mo, you can still see and watch the performances or the competitions kay ara ini siya sa aton nga mga official social media platforms like where you're watching from right now. So again, at the comfort of your homes, pwede gid kag pwede nyo pa ma-share para makita sang iban nga Ilonggos, not just here in Iloilo but all around the world.
Yes, and tanan gid no na activity sa Dinagyang Digital pwede nila balikan sa aton official live streaming platforms.
Yes, ako may damo pa ko lang tawon. But
You
I'm
have
just
to
so
do a lot
happy nga
of
pwede ko
catching up.
maliwat-liwat.
Sige.
Yes. All right, so I believe let's award now our winners. Let's start with the second runner-up. Our second runner-up for our Dinagyang Drum Beats contest is RCP Prakatakeras. Woo! Can we ask for a representative to please join us here at the back? Wow! This is the only all-girl group. Grabe. All right.
Girl power!
Yes.
Congratulations, RCP Prakatakeras.
Yes, because Romel, as we all know, of course, medyo tedious, medyo makapoy ang drum beating. But of course, kayang-kaya gapon sang aton mga gwapahon nga Ilongga. And again, let me call our second runner-up, the all-girl group, RCP Prakatakeras. The Prakatak.
Sige, on behalf of the second runner-up, I believe they have
Yes.
friends here. Ayun,
All right,
please claim
okay,
your
please.
award.
All right, now to our viewers online, if you're wondering, how do we do our no contact awarding? So we call our winners, they go around here before they go up the stage. There's a table, kundi inabutang na yang ilang certificate and award. So they will just have to pick it up and then they will go on stage. Alright, so see, safe gyapon ang aton nga mga awardees.
Congratulations!
So, wow, small. Amo gini ang tuod ga small but terrible. Alright. Abi, next time siguro we should have a sample here para
Para mas festive ang vibe,
Yes,
no?
right. Why not? And let's move on to the first runner-up.
First runner-up in the Dinagyang Drum Beats Contest. Let's give it up for Ilonggo Patik.
Ilonggo Pate, congratulations. You are the first runner-up. sila. Palakpakan natin sila. Congratulations to Ilonggo Patik.
And our champion for the first ever Dinagyang Drum Beats Contest. A resounding applause for Tukar Ilonggo.
Woo! Yay!
Viva virtual celebration pero the excitement, the faith kung naga-celebrate ng Dinagyang is still the same.
Yes, right. And Romel, mas mahambal sila nga. How did you guys do it? Just watch our official pages and you will understand why we want to show our true devotion to Señor Santo Niño.
True, and we are becoming a model to the rest of the archipelago.
Yes.
Kaya for sure, damo gidiyang mailog na naman sa digital celebration naton, making Dinagyang as of course their role model.
And I hope to, because we want them to be inspired just like us. Nga, nobody will stop us because Ilonggos, we're unstoppable.
Exactly,
Yes.
sige. And with that, Kate, thank you very much.
Thank you, Romel.
Thank you very
and,
much.
I will be back.
Yes.
Okay. So keep on sharing.
Because sige, this time naman, with me is another beautiful Ilongga, another pride of Iloilo, who is representing our city in the Binibining Pilipinas pageant that's happening in April. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Iloilo 2020 Binibining Pilipinas, Karen Lori Mendoza. Hello, Karen, the very stunning and beautiful Miss Iloilo. How are you?
Hello everyone, I'm good. I had a good rest today kasi mahaba-haba yung night namin kahapon.
Yes, now you were part of the fashion show
Yes,
last night.
It was
and
awesome. We felt like we were Victoria's Secret models.
And of course, we're very, very glad to have you. Kay nagpuli ka diri sa Iloilo to
Yes.
celebrate with the Ilonggos. Palakpakan natin si Karen. Sige, ano pang mga na-experience mo subong na digital Dinagyang?
Actually, I was just in my hotel room. I was watching the event earlier live with my best friend. And of course, kahapon, bisan we were waiting backstage sa amon nga fashion show, I was watching ang mga videos last year sa mga tribo. So I was really happy. And actually, my friends in Manila and in Cebu are jealous that Iloilo may amoni nga event. And hindi sila yaka-hamoni sa nga event sa Cebu and Manila. And they're very, very proud of Iloilo, gid.
And we give it back sa mga organizers ng ato na Dinagyang Festival. Again, a big round of applause for IFFI and the Iloilo City government. Congratulations. Sige, so Karen will be with me as we announce the winners sa Dagyang sa Calle Real, one of the highlights of Dinagyang Digital 2021. Pero Karen, kung wala mo pa ninalantaw, let us take a glimpse sa highlight. Anong mga nagkalatabo sa Dagyang sa Calle Real? So this is a showcase kung paano pala nagadagyang ang mga Ilonggo in the past few years, pero this time virtually. Let us watch this. Sige, we're having a technical problem. We cannot show you yet the highlights, pero in a while, we will be showing our audience. So let's award na lang our winners sa Dagyang sa Calle Real. I'd like to call on Rotary Club of Iloilo South President-elect. Sige, tama. Aldine Duyag, also the director of the event.
To present the certificates of recognition to the winners.
Sige, sige, for Dagyang sa Calle Real, we have 4 segments. First is
Going Back in Time Throwback Photo Contest. Mary Christine, Barangay Tagsing, Santa Barbara, Iloilo.
Okay, Karen, some of our winners were not able to join us today. Pero syempre maabot gid ng ila pa premyo and I think it's proper na i-acknowledge na lang sila. Bisan wala diri sila.
Yes, of course.
Next, shall we award? Shall we continue with the awarding? Sige. Next competition, Karen, is the Patisoy ni Nonoy. So we have our runners up.
Bermejo Brian, Molo, Iloilo City. Etshona Joshua, La Paz, Iloilo City. And Jod Morana from La Paz, Iloilo. And last, Raymond Patnubay Jr. from Pavia, Iloilo.
Ayun, to our runners up who are here, please join Sir Aldin. I believe ari din ang iba, no? Sige. Ari mga runners up naton. Before mag-announce kita, Karen, sang aton na grand winner, mapapicture sila anay with Mr. Aldin Duyag. Ayun, congratulations to our runners-up! And now, Karen, please announce our grand winner for Patisoy ni Nonoy.
Our grand winner for Patisoy ni Nonoy is Jovel Etshona from La Paz, Iloilo.
Congratulations! Ayun, ari di ang ato na winner. Ang mga Ilonggo kuno hindi lang mga gwapahon, mga tisuyon man na sila kuno, Karen. That's why we have the competition Patisoy ni Nonoy. I also would like to request Honorable Baronda and Honorable Tupas to please join Aldin Duyag on stage for the photo opportunity para sa mga next set of winners naton. Sige, Karen, for the next awarding, no, it's dubbed as Kiay sang linay. So, imo gini yang peg, no, na rampa-rampa. That's how amo nang ginpakita sa competition gani. So, may ara kita 4 runners up kag isa ka grand winner. So, please do the honors in calling our winners.
Runners up for Kiay sa Linay. First, we have Pelerine Grace Calzado from Sara, Iloilo.
Palakpakan naton. Congratulations!
We also have Vince Perales from Lemery. We have Chris Lawrence Salinas from Haro, Iloilo. And last, we have Creshabel Bernice Yasa from Oton.
To our runners up, please join our city councilors on stage as well as Mr. Aldin Duyag before nato ni-announce ang ato na winner sa Kiay sang linay. Karen, who knows ba si ang winner naton will be the next Miss Iloilo Bini man like you. Congratulations. Thank you very much, Honorable Tupas and Honorable Baronda. Now I'd like to call on City Councilor Ganzon and City Councilor Parcon to join Aldin Duyag on stage para i-award naman ang ato na grand winner for Kiay sang linay. Who knows, base amo ning ilan na mga humble beginnings, di ba la? And later on, maging kapariho nila sila sa imo, no? Beauty queen. Sige, Karen?
So our grand winner for Kiay sa Linay is Maraya Veronica Alcoran from La Paz, Iloilo.
Ayun, La Paz represent. Congratulations! Do we have our winner with us? Sige, we have a representative no from La Paz District. From La Paz National High School. Sige. Once again, congratulations, Alcoran Maraya Veronica from La Paz, Iloilo City. From Tribo Paghidaet. Ayun, ano man ni siya gali? Tribe member man ni siya. Sige, any representative? Wala na. Sige, picture na lang. Sir Aldin and City Councilors. Congratulations. Sige, we have a representative here. Ayun, sige. On behalf of the winner, we have someone man from La Paz to claim the prize and the plaque. Congratulations! Karen, subong naman i-award naton ang aton na last segment for Dagyang sa Calle Real, the Merry Making It Real Time Dance Competition. I'd like to call on Sir Judgy Peña and Attorney Jobert Peña Florida to join Sir Aldin on stage to award our winners. Karen, please call on our winners.
Fourth runner-up for Merry Making It Real Time Dance Competition is Point Z from Ahoy and Lemery.
Do we have a representative? Wala ko na sila representative. Another runner-up. Third runner-up, Karen, take it away.
Third runner-up is Pavian's Festival Dancers from Pavia, Iloilo.
Ayun, they are here. You see, Karen, ang celebration natin hindi limited sa Iloilo City lang, but we have participants coming from the province of Iloilo.
I'm so proud kasi I'm from 5th District and I see a lot of people here winning from my district.
Gani kagina sa Kiay may araman from 5th District, taga Quinto Distrito. Congratulations to Pavian's Festival Dancers.
Second runner-up for Merry Making It Real Time Dance Competition from La Paz, Iloilo, CNC.
Congratulations, CNC from La Paz. We have our representatives here. Congratulations. Our second runner-up for Merry Making It Real Time Dance Competition. Congratulations, CNC from La Paz District. Congratulations. Our first runner-up, Karen.
Our first runner-up is Boys in the City from Molo, Iloilo.
Molo District represent. Boys in the City. Congratulations to the first runner-up from Molo, Iloilo City. And now we are down to our champion, ang nagdaog sa Merry Making It Real Time Dance Competition.
From La Paz, Iloilo, Crep Nasty Crew.
Ayan, another group from La Paz. Congratulations. Once again, congratulations to Crep Nasty Crew La Paz, Iloilo City. And thank you very much, Karen, for joining us here in the awarding ceremony. Once again, palakpakan natin. We have Miss Iloilo 2020 Binibini representing Iloilo City in April 17. to
April
be-
17, yes, they just announced it yesterday.
Sige, Karen, mensahe mo sa Ilonggo community and para suportahan kanila in your upcoming pageant.
Salamat gid sa tanan nga Ilonggo, especially to my family, my friends, and also my fans who was always supporting me, especially kahapon, naghulat gid sila sa akon to meet me in person. Kay balaan man nila nga sa Manila ko ga-work. So, thank you everyone. I hope that you support me in my pageant April 17, Dagon tagid ni Iloilo.
Ayon, para sa mga Karenatics! Palakpakan natin ang aton nga gwapahon, syempre, nga linay diri sa Iloilo City, Miss Karen Lori Mendoza. Thank you very much. And kaina wala natin natanaw, Karen, ang highlights ng Dagyang sa Calle Real Time. Subong, ladies and gentlemen, please set your eyes on the screen. Dim the lights and all together, let us watch this.
Sa tuna ako na nga istorya kat panahon, nakilala ka sa ngalan nga irong-irong punot sang bangkat kagsang katahom sa idalom ni Tago pa iburong. Ipapugal ko ang imo ngalan, ipapugal ko ang mga binuhatan sang imong ginikanan, kag imong kabataan, kapuli kay pakato sa kauswagan. Hala bira Iloilo, sulong sa pagbago. Hala bira Iloilo, matahong na balwak ko. Hala bira Iloilo, mabukal na ngalan mo. Sa tanang nga panahon, ikaw ang palanggaon sa paglakad sang Malawi.
All right, I'm back. Okay, hi everyone. Again, Ruel, I cannot move on from the beauty of Karen. Grabe, gwapa-gwapa gid si Karen. And I believe she has a good heart too. So, although she just stood here for just a few minutes, but I believe that she can represent us very well. So, let's please support her.
And I'm, yes, no, Kate, and I'm looking forward na si Karen, hindi lang Iloilo City ang i-represent niya. But syempre, I'm excited for her to wear the Philippines sash. Ayun,
Yes,
another pride
right.
of Iloilo
Gani
and the
bantayan
Philippines.
tagitina, and let's support her. All right, like we support our Dinagyang Digital 2021. And yes, Ed Romel, speaking of Dinagyang Digital 2021, I know that mo kita sang live viewers right now. And to those of you nga nag-watch man online, thank you very much. But we also want to highlight all of your reactions online because this gives us life. Kanami
Yes.
pala sa mga ginahatag ninyo, may pa-shout out, may pa kumbaga
True,
gina-reminisce
ang
nila ang
hashtag
mga
nila.
yes, gina-reminisce nila ang mga past Dinagyang celebrations naton.
And for the past weeks, Kate, no, damo gid ang na-confuse kung how do we do Dinagyang Digital 2021. And earlier this morning when we aired One Digital Dinagyang, no, sa aton live streaming platforms kag sa GMA Regional TV, our official media partner, damo gid ang na-shook, not just in the Philippines but in the whole world, no?
Yes.
Even mga Pinoy abroad, aton OFWs, may iban man ng mga foreigners who were amazed of how we were able to stage Dinagyang Festival in the midst of a pandemic.
Gani Romel, to give them an idea, for sure most of you have read comments already and reactions. So now, let's give them the spotlight. Let's watch this.
Our production manager is now crying. Guys, thank you very much. And thank you very much for joining us and for watching the Iloilo Dinagyang 2021 digital. And it's watching Dinagyang on the comforts of our home, offices, and kahit saan lugar man tayo. Guys, thank you very much. And you happen to miss that one, please check the Iloilo Dinagyang page for the video. Pwede yung i-replay. Thank you very much sa lahat ng sumuporta and from the bottom of our hearts, from Iloilo City, from the entire Iloilo community, Ilonggo Artist Festival Association, Iloilo Festivals Foundation Incorporated, from the directors, choreographers, production team, production managers, musicians, dancers, performers, production crew from the GSO department, PSMRO, ang daming gustong pasalamatan. PNP from the Maya, BFP, at sa lahat-lahat ng sumuporta, and to all the barangays that we've been para mag-shoot in the entire Iloilo City. Madamong salamat to all our sponsors and manufacturers, and we are hoping for all the safety of everyone. Keep safe all, and happy Dinagyang.
Thank you, IFFI and Iloilo City government. Thank you so much.
Sure. Congratulations sa aton tanan.
Congrats!
And sa mga frontliners, salamat. In behalf sa Kayafa, salamat din sa pag-accept sa challenge.
Hindi na-explain as in...
Sa ulunan ko lagi po ito.
Mads Tata, congrats! Fred Elmira, Sir Jesner, Karag, congrats!
Hope to see you soon. Correct.
Kanami lang wala na-realize ko at the end of the day, tao man kita gyapon.
Abi mo Diyosa ka ay.
Ang sabi yung feeling, do normal kita, tanan do.
Yes, so there you go. Okay, those are just the live reactions, but this one,
Sige,
ang
Ara.
mga posts sa aton nga mga pinalangga nga Ilonggo.
Hala, Bira Iloilo, shout out to the organizer, film crew, and production. By far the best storytelling, photography, and editing. Proud to be Ilonggo. Wow, coming from one of our netizens.
Yes. Alright, kanami sang iya nga angle actually. Alright, from abroad to siya. Okay. And our next is Christine Halandoni. Ayan kanami, gidya kay Ara, gidya ka panguna, gidya nga aton nga hashtag. Hashtag Dinagyang Digital 2021. Ay, wala. Okay, kasig. Alright, yan. Yes, Romel.
All right. Festive despite the challenges, Dinagyang 2021 innovation is the key. Thank you and kudos to everybody who has risen up to the challenge of keeping up with the tradition, the fiesta that is Dinagyang despite challenges of the pandemic. From Raimundo Salaw. Ayun.
Alright, damo pa. Actually,
Astig
kadamo.
and matahom. Amo ginang ilang nga mga impressions.
Yes, next naman from Jimwell Jr. Garcia, this is from California, USA. All right, Dinagyang Digital 2021 is nothing short of sensational, nakakaiyak, nakakakilig,
A
nakakamangha.
benchmark for digital dance festivals, Iloilo City just keeps on coming.
Grabe.
Ayun, congratulations.
Congratulations, grabe, ma-feel mo ng
Another
emotion.
from Dude Stan, congratulations. Napagkit naman ini sa kasaysayan sang dakbanwa sang Iloilo kag kalibutan. Panginbulahan sa inyo tanan mabuhi. Gamay lang to na understand ko.
Alright. I am so blown away sa pangamuyo kay presentation sang mga IPs sa Dinagyang Digital. So beautiful.
Ayun, happy and so proud for the efforts of everyone. God bless from Elsie Lamingan Padernal.
Another from Dayan Custodio Acogido. Goosebumps from the beginning. Gatululo, gidya luwa ko sa sobra ka proud sa mga Ilonggo, Bato, Iloilo.
Oh, yes, without exaggerating, that was what I felt earlier sa nagtanaw ako. Ayun. Gapalang ngidlis balahibo ko kanami.
Dili biyon gid siya sang kanami. Congratulations, world-class production. The performances truly reflect the ingenuity, creativity, hopes, aspirations, and faith of the Ilonggos. Cheers! Proud Ilonggo here.
From Dr.
Yes.
Grace Bello, Dean of the College of Nursing of WVSU, I believe.
Wow. All right. And we have more pa, Romel. We have a... Okay. So actually, kadamo, pagid online, you can read it yourself, especially if you're going to watch again.
Mga comments, no? Aside
Yes.
sa damo pagid mga funny comments from our netizens nga nag-enjoy gid ya sa aton
Yes.
One Dinagyang Digital Presentation.
For sure, Romel, nakita man sang aton nga mga city officials, sang aton mga performers, tanan gid. May ara pa iban, Romel, nga ga-comment nga, oh, kit anay lang tato sa piyak, ay mainit gid. Dodo kumbaga, do gina-relieve gid nila ang ang natatbo last time,
Yes,
right?
no?
So, although ara lang sila sa balay, pero ang feel ara gapon, ang experience, pero grabe. Lusot sa heart, gid, Romel.
Exactly, Kate. And after watching Dinagyang Digital Presentation and after seeing the reactions of our netizens, I believe na ang ato na mga awards, no? Kay ato siya, usually may ara kita yan na do tight competition, di ba? What is beautiful, susubong naman niya, kay we inspired friendly competition among the tribes. Kay sila man lang to ganing nagsalaot, but we have special awards representing the 7 districts.
Right, Romel. So I believe we should start with our awards already.
For the awarding ceremony, I'd like to call on Honorable Jerry P. Trenes, our mayor.
Congresswoman Jamjam Baronda.
Vice Mayor Ganzon, please join our officials. We also have our
Attorney Jobert Peña Florida, please join us.
Sir Judge Peña. Ayan.
Our special awards for Alright, Romel, sorry. Ganyan talaga pag live, alright? So we just want to make sure that all that we get to announce here are correct so that malipayon gid ang aton nga awarding tonight. Alright, and we have special awards, Best in Music, Best in Costume and Production Design, Best in Choreography, Best in Performance, and People's Choice Award.
This time, ang pinaka-highlight nga award natin is the People's Choice Award because all the things that we did are for the Ilonggo people.
That's
Para
right.
gid sa tao. That's why sila gid nagpili. Yeah, and this is our highlight award for tonight. Sige,
And-
umpisahan natin.
Yes, and Romel, we are just so happy that we get to do this right here in Mega World Corporation, Iloilo Business Park. To our partner, thank you very much, Mega World Corporation, Iloilo Business Park. It's just beautiful to be here. It's symbolic, and right now, let's.
And it's so festive.
Yes,
the
it's so
name itself.
festive. Yes.
Speaks for the vibe na very festive gid.
So thank you very much once again, and I believe we are ready to award our winners.
For our winners, kung group daw ang maklaim sa ang gusto kadto diri lang daw sa dalom to still maintain social distancing.
Yes, all right. So don't forget, I know you will be overjoyed, you will be really happy, pero ano nato na, i-maintain natin ang physical distance from each other. All right? To keep us safe, right?
Our first award.
First award is Best in Music. Come on, guys. Best in Music. Yes, that's more like it. Best in Music is Tribo Molo.
Representatives, please join our officials here in front for the photo opportunity. Congratulations, Tribo Molo. Amo to sang very prominent ang sounds ng mga peace. Madumduman ko, kid.
Yes. Actually, malantaw gidya for sure. Just like me, everybody will rewatch it tonight.
Yes, ara lang again sa ato na live streaming platforms. Official Facebook page of Jerry Treñas,
Yes.
Iloilo Dinagyang, and Iloilo City, Government.
Yes, ara inatanan dito. You can watch it with your family and friends. And of course, sa aton nga mga winners tonight, sa mga photos nyo, again, don't forget our official hashtag Dinagyang Digital 2021. And our next special award is
The Best in Costume and Production Design. Ayan, the Best in Costume and Production Design is... You got it right! Tribo Lapos!
Our next award is Best in Choreography. Best in Choreography is Tribo. I cannot hear you, Tribo. Tribo Lapos.
Congratulations! Our next award is Best in Performance. Ayun. Best in Performance. Congratulations! Tribo Haro!
Congratulations! And on to our next award, People's Choice Award. Right, Romel? Right, okay.
Kay tanani, para gid sa tao.
Yes. People's Choice Award is... Okay, gina-make sure ko lang
True.
People's Choice Award is... Abi, tuduhan ta. People's Choice Award is... Tribo!
La Paz!
Tribo La Paz!
Congratulations! Tribo La Paz! La Paz represent! Congratulations!
Congratulations, People's Choice Award! With thousands and thousands of viewers.
Congratulations to our winners, to our officials. Please stay. Kay Subong, we have a surprise para sa ato ng mga dancers. Again, Dinagyang Festival is acknowledged, no, sa bugos nga kalibutan to the rest of the world. Pero kisalang natin, Kate, matagaan appreciation ang ato ng mga warrior. So we would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge our 30 warriors na part sang Dinagyang Digital Presentation.
Yes!
And wala sila nakita kay may nakamask sila na samtang nagasaot. But tonight, we will unveil the faces of our real-life Warriors.
Wow! All right, I cannot wait to do that. Oh, you're always wondering who is that face or what's that face behind the mask. So this is the chance. All right? So we have actually their pictures, right?
Yes, we have their pictures to be flashed on screen. First, Princess Danielle Baldeviso or Danielle Baldeviso.
Wow. Yes.
No
Again,
need to take off the mask na there is a stage.
Yes.
Kaya ara na, gin-unveil
Kay
na sa
Claro,
picture.
again, yes. And Romel, to those who are wondering how we did this One Dinagyang Digital. All right. Okay, next. Faith Lagos. So this is our recognition to their beautiful effort.
And hard work.
Hard work.
Determination ang ginagawa nila no, for 3 weeks.
Yes.
In quarantine sila to make sure na ma-celebrate kita in a safe manner. Congratulations!
Our next awardee is Adrian John Panimoto. Yes, Rebel, as we were talking about it, ang mga Ilonggos nag-wonder. So paano nyo ginobra? And we are sharing it to you, right, Romel, that we had to house our warriors for how many days?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. All right. So with the swabbing and all to make sure that they are all safe.
And to give us a beautiful show, no? Next awardee is
Archie Pelago. And look at their beautiful brown skin. Whole world will be jealous of it because they love this.
True.
They cannot have that. Kita lang ang may amosin na, right?
True Warriors. Next,
Arlie Rabago. Our next awardee is Armando Pañares. Our next awardee, Arnie Gonzalez Jr. Our next awardee, Cesar Balunes Jr. Our next awardee is Don Brian Monsale. Yes. Our next awardee, Edelberto Frias III. Janelle Francia.
he wasn't able to join us today. Let's proceed with our next.
George Deslate. Our next awardee is Glenn Baba.
Another warrior is Gweno Barsanas.
The next awardee is John Mark Hamandre.
Another warrior is John Ray Sebarillo.
The next warrior is Jason Porras.
Another warrior is Jay Tenorio.
Our next warrior is Jasper Sison.
Another warrior is John Carlo Apistar.
Ang madason naton nga warrior, John Paul Sotero.
Another warrior, let's give it up for Kenneth Taytayon.
Kag ang madason nato na warrior, Kenneth Delphin.
Another warrior is Kent Gabriel Cornito.
The next warrior is Mark Louis Euroflan.
Russell Jake Bilieza. Congratulations, Russell Jake Bilieza.
The next awardee is Raymark Ardiente. Parihos kinang iyang hair.
Congratulations!
Thank you!
Also, one of our warriors. Ay, ato na.
Complete now. We still have one more. We still have more. Okay, can I have your name? Raymart de los Reyes. Ayan, I believe they deserve to be on stage also. All right.
Another warrior is Rowan Baldago.
And to complete our warriors, Stanley Tan.
Once again, a big round of applause for our 30 warriors.
Salamat, Gid, sa inyong dedication, ang inyong commitment. And Romel, one of the things na gusto ko gid i-prioritize or ihambal gid, i-share gid sa aton nga mga Ilonggos and the people all around the world that ang mga Ilonggos may mga panata ina. Yes. So, all right, okay. And we still have another award, but again, this is their promise, their panata yearly, and we're just happy to see them nga naubragid nila. So thank you very much for all of your efforts. Salamat, Gid.
And we also would like to acknowledge or recognize Ilonggo Artists Festival Association or IAFA.
Yes.
Mga Dinagyang Warriors
Sir Romel
naton from
Flores.
IAFA. Pwede daw
All
tanan diri sa
Yapa,
front.
please, diri, oo. Kabalo na ka muna magpwesto sang self nyo. So, Sir Romel, please join us here on stage.
Ayun, mga very talented naton yung mga artists.
And Romel, this is not just them, mas madamo pagid na as we continue to celebrate our annual Dinagyang.
These are the men, no? Behind every Dinagyang very lavish and flamboyant ang performances. Initungod sa ato ng mga choreographers who are very talented. So congratulations.
Yes. So kabay pa, hindi ka mo makapoy, please. Kay Ari kami sa likod nyo. We are going to support you all the way. Palakpakan natin sa liwat. Thank you very much.
Ayun, once again, a big round of applause for IAFA and for our Dinagyang Warriors. Pulakpakan natin again sa mga wala nakalantaw sa One Dinagyang Presentation. They are still on our live streaming platforms. Jerry P. Treñas official Facebook page, Iloilo Dinagyang Facebook page, and
Iloilo City Government. Yes. So you will see all of our events right there. Kung na-miss nyo man, just take time. You still have all the chance. Basta kung may rest day, ikaw, watch it. You won't regret it. It's all worth it, Romel.
yes, exactly. Kitag subong naman, let us all welcome one of the trailblazers why Dinagyang is known all over the world. We have been awarded as the best tourism event in the country, and our Dinagyang Festival has performed in so many countries. Ladies and gentlemen, the ever supportive, kayang iya nga suporta sa Dinagyang Festival, grabe ga lumapaw gid Kate, no? Very much supportive gid ang father sang Iloilo City. Ladies and gentlemen, for his message and to give us or to officially close Dinagyang Digital 2021. Kind of
yes.
sad, pero yes, we're looking forward for a better and grander celebration next year. We have
Ladies and gentlemen, it is always a pleasure and honor to introduce to you again the father of Iloilo City, Mayor Jerry Treñas.
Mayong gabigid sa tanan sa aton nga Congresswoman Jam Baronda, palakpakan tagid ang aton nga Vice Mayor nga siya dugid ka supportive, palakpakan naton Vice Mayor Jeffrey Ganson. Ari dire ang aton nga mga konsehales, isa-isahon ko ang makita ko. Si Councilor Rudolph Ganson, Councilor Love Baronda, Councilor Frances Parcon, Councilor Candice Tupas. May bilin pa da nga hindi ko makita. Away na guro. Ang aton nga Iloilo Festivals Foundation Incorporated na ginapangunahan sang akon abyan si Mr. Judge Peña, Chairman, kag ang aton mapisan nga presidente daw ay siya ginakapoy, Attorney Jobert Peña Florida. Sa tanan nga ari diri, karon pagkatapos ko sang akon nga speech, i-announce ko nga waay kita klase buwas. Galing waay gali face to face, no? Mounting the Dinagyang Digital 2021 in the midst of a pandemic has been really challenging for all of us. Restrictions were observed. Budget was tight because we did not want to splurge. and the uncertainty of staging the first ever digital celebration. But we are here tonight in the awarding ceremony to appreciate the efforts of each and every one of us for a truly successful celebration. All our events, from the opening salvo until this very moment, are products of hard work and determination. Wala man kita kasadsad, gid sa kalye pareho sang kinaanda naton, pero ang aton pagtuo sa mahal nga Ginoo wala gid sang pagbag-o. We have shown the world our unwavering faith that despite these very challenging times, we can still celebrate in honor of our patron saint, Señor Santo Niño. And all of these efforts were made possible because of the very close collaborative efforts between the local government unit and the private sector. Allow me to acknowledge the Iloilo Festival Foundation, headed by the chairman, Judge Peña, and the energetic president, Attorney Jobert Peña Florida, for stepping up your game. To my fellow government officials, headed by Congresswoman Dagyang Baronda, Vice Mayor Jeffrey Ganson, madamo gid nga salamat sa inyo pagsuporta. Bisan sa inyo pagtambong sa subong nga gabi, nagapasalamat gid kami tanan sa inyo. Plakpakan tagid sila. To the directors, most especially to Eric Di Grasya, palakpakan tagid siya. To our dancers, to the drummers, to the performers, to the artists, to the shooters, to the editors, to the media partners, and everyone who mounted all the events. Plakpakan naton tanan. Your creativity and talents are truly world-class. And I am extremely proud of all of you. To our sponsors, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Things could have been a lot harder without your overwhelming support. Balakpakan taman ang aton nga mga sponsors. To my staff in the City Mayor's Office, to Gab, palakpakan din naton si Gab. Our media team, palakpakan ta, headed by my daughter, my favorite daughter, Raisa, who has been so hands-on. You did a great job. Palakpakan natin sila tanan. To everyone who is a part of the first ever Dinagyang Digital 2021, you have shown the whole world that staging a festival in a safe manner without sacrificing the health and safety of our people is still possible. Kag sa tanan nga mga Ilonggo nga nagasuporta gid sa aton Dinagyang Festival, madamo gid nga salamat. We bring back all the glory and praises to the Lord Almighty. It has been a fun and festive week for all of us. And now, as the city Mayor of Iloilo City, it is my responsibility to officially close Dinagyang Digital 2021 celebration. Uswag Iloilo, Bato Iloilo, Viva Señor Santo Niño.
By the authority vested in me as City Mayor of Iloilo City, I hereby declare Dinagyang Digital 2021 open.
Señor Santo Niño, viva, viva, viva.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's Iloilo Dinagyang Digital 2021! Ayun! Once again, palakpakan natin to all the organizers, to Iloilo Festivals Foundation Incorporated, to the
Grabe,
Iloilo City
Gid.
Government. Palakpakan natin once again.
Grabe, Gid. Hats off. Gid. We are so happy and proud because we did it. And we can. We showed the world. Yes, all right. So, Romel, I'm just so happy because I've been asking that we can again work together on the same stage. And
The
I'm
last
glad
time
we
was
did-
3 years ago. No, that's 2 years ago
2
during
years
the
ago.
inauguration of Mayor Trenias.
Right. And today, although I'm a bit emotional, but still, we were able to make Ilonggos happy once again. Just this Dinagyang and to show our true devotion to Señor Santo Niño. So, Romel, thank you. I enjoyed it
Yes.
with you today.
And to thank you very much, Kate. I am so honored to be with you on one stage. Pero syempre, sige, to just cap off the night, no, and to add visuals to or aesthetics to our Dinagyang celebration, Dinagyang experience, I'd like to call on Mayor Jerry Trenias, Congresswoman Jam Baronda, Vice Mayor Jeffrey Ganzon,
Sir Rito Carlos Peña, Attorney Jobert Peña Florida, and our friends from the Iloilo Business Park Mega World Corporation, the Vice President for Sales and Marketing, Iloilo Business Park, Miss Jennifer Ann Fong. Please join us here on stage
For the ceremonial countdown as we light up Casa de Emperador.
Right,
Ayun.
and we would like to thank Mega World Corporation, Iloilo Business Park. Thank you very much for allowing us to close Dinagyang Digital 2021 right here in the beautiful Casa de Emperador.
We will be joining our officials here on stage as we count down and lighting up Casa de Emperador.
So please, to all our beloved Ilonggos, please join us for the countdown. Let's start with 10, all right? So Romel, join us. Ladies and gentlemen, let's start in... All right. All right, to our officials, to our VIPs, please join us also. Let's start the countdown in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, happy Dinagyang Digital 2021!
Romel, thank you very much to the Iloilo City government, especially to Mega World Corporation Iloilo Business Park. Thank you very much for allowing us to do this memorable closing ceremony for Dinagyang Digital 2021. And to our beloved Ilonggos, we are going to be featured in Rated K, and tonight we are so glad that we are Rated Karina, that we are graced tonight by the presence of the beautiful, the lovely, there she is, Miss Karina Sanchez Rojas. There
Thank
she
you.
is. And,
Thank you very much for joining the Ilonggo community celebrate the Dinagyang Festival. Thank you very much.
we hope you do enjoy your stay here. And of course, we are just so glad that you're here tonight with us. Thank you. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Romel, I would like to thank, of course, the Iloilo City government. Thank you always for including me because again, ako yung very proud Ilongga gid ako. And of course, to everybody behind us, Sir Eric, Romel, Gab, Bree, everyone. I cannot mention everyone, but thank you. And you have shown amazing production. This is a massive production. I mean, if we can just explain it in words, all right? So I would like to thank everybody, to all our live viewers. Thank you very much for sticking with us. Again, please stay safe. Enjoy our Dinagyang Digital 2021. And I would like to thank Stephen Ray Tronco for my makeup and Giancarlo Catador for my hair. Thank you very much.
I also would like to thank Ram Silva for making me look dapper tonight with my wardrobe. Thank you very much, Ram Silva.
I love Ram.
Yes, and to each and every one of you, thank you very much. Let us remember that we always bring it back, the glory and all the praises to the Lord Almighty. That is the very reason why we celebrate the Dinagyang Festival. Once again, my name is Romel Paporada.
And I'm Kate Chavez. Make sure to follow Romel and me, of course, on our social media and keep up with us. To everyone, thank you. Happy Dinagyang. One Dinagyang.
One Iloilo.
Halad kay Señor Santo Niño.
Nakilala ka sa mata mong buluhaton ang imong antinakyang kag imong kasadyaan padayon nga kinapasidunggan ipapukal mo ang imong ngalan ipapukal mo ang mga binuhatan sa imong ginikanan kag imong kabataan kahuli kay pagkanto sa kauswagan Uswag Iloilo, I am Iloilo. Uswag Iloilo, para sa mga Ilonggo. Uswag Iloilo, I am Iloilo. Uswag Iloilo, para sa mga Ilonggo. Magbago na Ilonggo ka, ipakita ang kaisog Ilonggo. Sa bilog ang kalibutan, naton nga ibaladra, ang aton nga bandera kalabira. Ipabugal mo ang Iloilo, ang imo pagigugma sa imo dakpan. Wala bang sa tangan, kita magkapatayon. Uswag Iloilo. Uswag Iloilo, hala, amira Iloilo. Uswag Iloilo, para sa mga Ilonggo. Uswag Iloilo, hala, amira Iloilo. Uswag Iloilo, para sa mga Ilonggo. Uswag Iloilo, hala, amira Iloilo. Uswag Iloilo, para sa mga Ilonggo.